So good morning everyone, my name is Carlos Vilopio and this is our midterm project in mathematics. So today I will show you to how to solve in arithmetic sequence. So let's go. So good day. So we will talk about arithmetic sequence and the specific here are problems. So insert 5 arithmetic means between 18 and 54. So before we go further with this problem, let's talk about arithmetic means. Arithmetic means or arithmetic means are number that are between two extremes of a given arithmetic sequence. Like this example, you're giving the stream 18 and 54 and I will try to insert 5 different number or 5 arithmetic means between 18 and 54. So let's solve it. So we're given this kind of sequence. We're in this one is again arithmetic sequence. We will insert the arithmetic means and let me help you to visualize our problem. This 18 is E sub 1, so E sub 2, at pag second term, E sub 3, and fourth term, E sub 4. So E sub 5, E sub 6, and 1, E sub 7. So to first to solve or to find the 5 missing number between 18 to 54, we will use this formula. So A sub n equal E sub 1 plus D times n minus 1. E sub n will serve as the last term which is your E sub 7. So E sub n is equal to 54. A is equal to your first term which is equal to 18. So ang D and this one is letter D, we don't have yet the value of the common difference. So hahanapin natin mamaya is letter D or common difference. So and the value of n or the number of terms, simple count this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 E sub n equal to 54. So we have down 54 is equal to your E sub 1 which is 18. 18 plus D times 7 minus 1. So 54. So 7 minus 1 is equal 6. So 18 plus D 6D.
What you need to do is will transpose 18 to another side. It will become a 54. So 54 minus 18 equal 6D. So 54 minus 18 is equal to 36.
60. So 62 and 6. So divide both of side of the equation. So cancel your D. So 36 divides 6 equal to 6. So that's the answer. So now we're going to find the missing terms. So it will have to value of the, remember di ba ang arithmetic sequence natin, we can find succeeding terms or next terms if we add the common difference from the previous for the giving terms. Like this example, you already have E sub 1 to find e sub 2, you need to do is to add e sub 1, which 18 plus 6 equal to 24. So ilagay natin ang 24 dito. So e sub 3 equal to 24. 24 plus 6 equal to 30. So ilagay natin ang 30 dito. So e sub 4 equal e sub 30 plus 6 equal to 36. So ilagay natin dito ang 36. So sa e sub 5 equal 36 plus 6 equal to 42. Ilagay natin ang 42 dito. So sa e sub 6 natin, e sub 6 42 plus 6 equal to 48. So that's all. Thank you.